Hello, beautiful people. I am Mooji with Mooji Truck Sales here in Palmdale, California, and I have a beautiful 2016 Hino 338. This truck is a CDL truck. It requires CDL Class B driver's license because it's 33,000 GVW. Gross vehicle weight is 33,000. It's not 26. So if you don't have a CDL license or a Class B license, this truck would not be good for you. Otherwise, you are welcome to drive it at your own risk. I am not responsible if they pull you over with this truck and you don't have a license. So the box is clean, it's fiberglass. It is a 97 high by 102 wide. It has an aluminum rail lift gate, and the lift gate works. And it is a spring suspension. All right, let me show you. Spring suspension. It's a California truck. It does not have rust, and it has what do you call it? The rear tires are what do you call them? Caps, recap tires. So I would recommend changing these rear tires, especially if you're carrying a lot of weight. The DEF system works. It's a Hino engine, Toyota engine, beautiful, beautiful engine. The truck is running right now. I'm gonna show you it does not have any oil leaks. Good tires, very good tires. You do not need to change the steer tires. So as you see, no leaks. All right, now I'm just gonna show you inside and we're gonna be done. It's pretty windy here in Palmdale. It is a push button, so it's a Allison automatic transmission. It's not a stick, it's a push button. It's an RDS. If you would like to put anything, you remove the box and use hydraulic with this truck. 260,000 miles, as you can see. No check engine light. It's an air brake, and beautiful, beautiful clean. It has a backup camera. Really, really clean, as you can see. And I'm gonna show you the I like to show you a detailed video so that when you come here to Palmdale, you're probably coming from far, probably LA or somewhere else, and I want you to know everything about the truck. As I said, it's fiberglass. So let's see if this lift gate, let's close the door. And then we're going to close the lift gate. All right, I think there is another button somewhere for closing this lift gate. I have dealt with this one before, but I cannot. I think there's another one, up and down. Anyways, I don't want to bother you with this because I'm going to figure it out how to close it. And there you have it. I hope to see you here. Oh, let me show you myself. This is me. I'm Mooji. Nice to meet you. And this is my yard. And I will see you soon. Thank you.